In this video, I'll walk you through the process of using Happymod in your Roblox account, step by step. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Using Happymod in Roblox allows you to access modded features and skins that aren't available in the original game. It can enhance your gameplay by providing customization options and extra perks. To begin, open the Google Chrome browser on your mobile device. Once the browser is open, go to the search panel and type happymod.com in the search bar. From the search results, select the first link that appears, which will take you to the Happymod website. Once you are on the Happymod homepage, scroll down a little bit to locate the download section. Here you will need to download the APK file for Happymod and install it on your device. After the installation is complete, open the Happymod app. Upon opening Happymod, you will see a search bar. In this search bar, type Roblox and press Enter. At this point, you may not find the Roblox app right away. This is because Happymod doesn't initially display it. So the next step is to open the Roblox app on your device. Once the Roblox app is open, look at the bottom panel and tap the Connect button. This action activates the connection between Happymod and Roblox. After activating the Connect button in the Roblox app, go back to the Happymod APK. Now, repeat the search for Roblox within the Happymod app, and this time, you will easily find it listed. Once you locate Roblox in the search results, tap on it. You will then see an option to Install. Tap the Install button to begin updating the Roblox app. The installation process will start, and once it's complete, the app will be launched automatically. You'll notice that your Roblox app is now running with Happymod integrated, allowing you to enjoy all the benefits that come with it. That's all there is to it. You've successfully installed and set up Happymod on your Roblox app. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.